You can select multiple components and configure them all at once. Select the components you want to configure, right-click and select Configure Component. A window will pop up and you get the option to select if the component should be suppressed in a particular configuration or what configuration to use, and if you want the component to be fixed. You can set the different custom properties, and you can even create new configurations within the assembly. This is a great tool to create new configurations and modify existing configurations.